This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Lexus prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, power trunk closing assist, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.